So I know there's a big fish over in this pocket water. Really tough to get at on this side of the river, but I'm gonna see if I can get my nymph over there to have a nice run through and see if I can pick up that fish that's in there. So it's so important to target these patches of pocket water in rivers because, as some of you know, pocket water is that still water behind any large obstruction like you're seeing here. Fish just love to hang out in these currents and these pocket waters. You got to target these areas every time you're fishing a river. There it is. I got him. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so heavy. Shit. Oh, did I lose him? Or is he just behind the rock? Just behind the rock. Just a little guy. Oh, I thought there was going to be a monster in there. But hey, I am not going to complain, because that is a nice little west slope. Come on, buddy. Wow, beautiful fish. Looks like he might have swiped at the big one and the trailing nymph got him. Look how pretty that is, though. Just the colors. All right, there he is. Beautiful fish. Just look at the markings on him. So pretty. All right, buddy. Nice. Right where he should have been. Let's see if there's a bigger one in there. All right, we're back in position. There we go. There's another one in there. Oh, God, it's so tough. There's a stick, of course, right there, too. Got to get him down below the stick. Oh, yeah. Another nice little fish. Oh, they're so pretty. Man, that's the thing about these west slopes. They're just gorgeous. They're just picturesque fish. So pretty. And just the colors are just amazing on this guy. All right, buddy, there we go. Another beautiful west slope on the St. Joe. Well, I'll be surprised if there's more, but I pulled two out of that little hole. I mean, it's so crazy that's 2 fish out of this small little pocket water. That's why you want to target these sections, because who knows how many fish are in here. All right, let's see if we can get this in there again and get a good drift. Yep, there's another one. Ooh, this one's bigger. This one's bigger. Oh, jeez. Oh, look at him hold that big current. Yeah, that's a nice fish. Ooh, how exciting is that? Trying to pull him out of that big water. That is so much fun. Wow. Come on, buddy. All right, buddy. Get in the net. Nice. Look at that fish. That is a beautiful fish. Oh, he took my big old nymph, too. Here's he's unhooked. Maybe. This guy. That's beautiful. Wow. Beautiful fish.